everyone, today I'll be making Jack Daniel's barbecue sauce. What all goes into the Jack Daniel's barbecue sauce? 1 cup of dark brown sugar, 1 cup water, 1/2 cup apple cider vinegar, 3/4 cup tomato paste or 6 ounces, 1/4 cup pineapple concentrate, 1/4 cup Jack Daniel's whiskey, 1 tablespoon liquid smoke, 1 tablespoon yellow mustard, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 2 tablespoons cornstarch for a cornstarch slurry, and 2 tablespoons of water to go into that cornstarch to make the slurry. So let's begin. Turn your heat to medium-high. Dump in your 1 cup of dark brown sugar, your 1 cup of water, both of the vinegars, 1/2 cup of white vinegar, and 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, the tomato paste, which is 6 ounces or 3/4 cup, the pineapple concentrate, which is 1/4 cup, the 1/4 cup of Jack Daniel's whiskey, the 1 tablespoon of liquid smoke, the 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, the 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, the 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, the 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and the 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Once it comes to a boil, we'll reduce the heat to medium. Okay, so it is starting to boil. Turn the heat down to medium, and then just whisk it and mix it until it reduces by half and slightly thickens. So put your 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in a small bowl. I always make a mess. So add your 2 tablespoons of water and stir that until thoroughly mixed. It has reduced down enough, but we'll pour that in. Give that a mix. And it's getting a little bit thicker. And shut off the heat. Now you can either serve this hot or keep it in the refrigerator until you're ready to use. But if you're going to be putting it in the refrigerator, you're going to want to let it cool completely first. Depends on how thick it gets. You can put it in a squeeze bottle. If it's too thick, just put it in a jar. I'll be back when it cools. So the Jack Daniel's barbecue sauce has cooled. It is really thick. I had a squirt bottle. I don't think I'll be able to squirt it out because it's so thick, but I'll put it in the bottle and then we can just squeeze it out when we need it. So I have my funnel. I put some of the barbecue sauce just in a measuring cup so I can pour it into the funnel. And then I will put the rest, because there's more, I'll put the rest in a small jar. So here is the Jack Daniel's barbecue sauce. So it made a squirt bottle. I'm not sure how much that holds, and a 1/2 pint jar of the Jack Daniel's barbecue sauce. Tonight I will be fixing supper, and I will have Dave try the barbecue sauce with the supper. But until then, we'll put this in the refrigerator until we're ready to use. This barbecue sauce would be great for most anything. Grilling, your barbecue hamburgers, your barbecue steak, barbecue chicken. It would be good to put in meatloaf, and it would also be good to make your own barbecued baked beans. Okay, so we have our supper ready, and Dave's going to try the Jack Daniel's barbecue sauce on his Cajun style andouille sausage.
Looks good.
Well, hopefully you like it.
Yeah.
Might want to try it without the sausage since the sausage is spicy or something too.
Yep. I like it. My sausage is safe.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.